Struggling with a weak Wi-Fi signal? I'll reveal quick fixes to boost your Wi-Fi strength and keep you connected seamlessly. Let's get started. Click on Win+I to open Settings. Click on Troubleshoot tab. Click on Network Adapters. Then follow the instructions. To solve all hardware-related issues, we need to take the help of Device Manager. Open the Device Manager. And under Network Adapters, find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click it and then open Properties. Now under the Driver tab, you can see all actions related to drivers. You can try to update or roll back the driver, or you can disable and re-enable the device to see if your problem has been solved.